I want to say happy 4th of July to everybody out there. Hopefully over the weekend you were able to spend a little bit of time with your family and friends and truly reflect on the independence and the freedom that we have as a country. Now guys, I want to relate it back to AMC a little bit. So let's talk about where we've been with AMC, but most importantly, where we can go. Because I truly believe that AMC has the power, it has the possibility to give us the financial independence and the financial freedom that every single one of us deserves. So of course, if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up everybody, I'm Clay, I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and of course we are growing our portfolios together. Now it seems like just yesterday, we're back in January and AMC's trading at $2 a share. We're face to face with bankruptcy, and there's a lot of people who doubt the possibility of what this stock has and what this stock can absolutely do for us. Now, if we remember, if we get back to the basics, what it all started with back in January was very simple. It's a short squeeze, and that is exactly where we're at today. Now, I know that with everybody that's jumped on this story, with everybody that's jumped on this trend, you're going to see a lot of different aspects and a lot of different opinions, and really they're all good, okay? Go take in everybody's opinion, and like I always say in all of the live streams, all of the videos, make sure to diversify your input, and then you can confidently make your output. You can confidently make up your mind, not only in what exactly is going on here, but how high and how much potential AMC truly has. So knowing that, if we go back to the basics, guys, the story is simple. It is a short squeeze. And you might be new to this. You might be asking, what's a short squeeze? Simply put, the hedge funds, the institutions have shorted AMC. They sold AMC and they are obligated to buy it back. Hopefully at a lower price, right? But that is not the case. That is not what is happening. The price is astronomically higher than it was just a couple of months ago. AMC in January was trading at $2 per share, and currently it's in the $50 to $60 range. So we have made leaps and bounds so far. In the shorts, this is the beautiful part, guys. Keep this in mind. The shorts have not covered. The price has gone from $2 up to a high of 72. Yeah, sure, it's back in the $50 to $60 range right now. As we're shaking out the paper hands, as we're shaking out the day traders and the retail investors who are not in it for a squeeze, we saw a little bit of a pullback, but we are absolutely where we need to be. From $2 to $50 plus, we are doing work, and it is looking beautiful. So let's talk about that. Now, I know a lot of people might be thinking that we've already reached financial independence and financial freedom. We've basically 20x'd our portfolios, 30x'd your portfolios if you've gotten in at $2 and rode it all the way up to $60. But what does it mean? Are we there? Is it over with? Absolutely not. Like I just touched on it, the shorts have not covered, and that is what this entire movement is about. That is what this entire thing is based upon. I know a lot of people like to touch on corruption and naked shorts and all of this other stuff that doesn't matter. At the basics, at what this is, at its fundamentals, at its core, is a short squeeze, and the shorts have not covered. So we're still there. If we've gone from $2 all the way up to $60 so far and the shorts haven't covered, what can we absolutely accomplish when the shorts do cover? That's what you need to be asking yourself, because I know a lot of people out there, maybe you're at a barbecue this weekend, maybe you're talking with your family right now, maybe they're watching this video right now with you for the first time and they've never seen anything about AMC before. What could it do? Is it too late to get in? I'm going to answer that question for you right now. Absolutely not. It is not too late to get in. You might be saying, why, right? AMC was $2, now it's $60. Why is it not too late to get in? Simply put, because absolutely nothing has changed since the beginning. The short shares are outstanding. Think of a short share like a blank check, okay? The hedge funds have shorted it, and now they are absolutely required to buy that stock back, regardless of the price. It's a blank check. Now, yes, It does depend on how long everybody can hold out. It does depend on how long we're willing to sit on these shares before we finally sell them back to the hedge funds. But if you and I, if we're willing to hold out till $500 a share, the price will go to $500. If we're willing to hold out to $1,000 a share, the price is going to go to $1,000. You get the drift. But we can hold out to $5,000. The price goes to $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, $100,000. Now, I realize that some of these other numbers might be a little crazy to think that people could hold out that long, that we would really not be tempted to take our profits on our portfolios and close out before some of these numbers. But that's the game, guys. The shorts are out there. Think of it, it's the same thing. Sure, it might be a little bit more expensive to buy in right now, but nothing has changed since the beginning. The shorts need to cover. It doesn't matter what price they need to cover at. They will absolutely pay that price. Now, of course, we want the margin calls to happen because we don't want the shorts to willingly draw this thing out to 2022 and beyond, right? We want the margin calls to happen because the margin calls require the shorts to be covered at that time. Currently, you are correct. Currently, they can draw this out as long as they want until we put the pressure on them. And we are absolutely doing that. The price is rising. Volume is falling, so we're eating that supply up and squeezing that supply. And we are getting external regulation after external regulation that is being updated and upgraded so that we can further this along. Because, guys, the lenders know that we're getting there. And they do not want us to take their money. They don't care about the hedge funds' money, but they absolutely do not want us to touch their money. So they are updating and upgrading these regulations so that one day we can see these margin calls and that we can take all of the hedge funds' money that they have in these short positions. It is a beautiful thing, and I hope that each and every one of you realize that, okay, we've been trading sideways for 3 weeks. Please, 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 either do one of two things, man. Zoom out on the graph and see how high we are right now. Get a little motivation from that. Or realize that we traded sideways for months between $5 and $8 and $12 and back down to $8 and $12. Like, use that as perspective to see that we traded sideways for months and we blew up from $8 to $80. And we can absolutely do the same thing again, going from $80 to $800. So hopefully this video serves as a little bit of motivation because, guys, I know people are getting tired out there. I know they don't want to see this stock move sideways. It's boring when it moves sideways, right? But we're up 20, 30x from where we were just a couple of months ago. And I believe that each and every one of you see the potential that AMC stock brings, and that it could absolutely be the financial independence and the financial freedom that each and every one of you guys deserve. Now, I want to know right in the comments below right now if you guys truly believe that AMC stock has the potential to bring financial freedom, financial independence, and if this sideways movement isn't scaring you because you have been in since the start. So let us know if you guys are on board with the financial freedom, but also if you're on board with holding this stock through the sideways action to really see what the squeeze has and has in store for every single one of us. Now, guys, if that subscribe button is still red, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And during July only, if you guys open a Webull account with the link in the description below and you deposit $5, it only has to be $5. Then it's going to go back up to $100. But if you deposit $5 in the month of July, you're going to get a couple free stocks. One's valued at least $3. The other one's valued at least $8. So you deposit $5 and then you get $11 right there, right off the bat. So if you don't really want a Webull account, but you want to sign up for this promotion, absolutely take advantage of it. It's an excellent deal, and it's through the whole month of July. And then there's so many other links in the description below, so make sure to check out each and every one of those. And of course, until the next time, happy 4th of July, everybody. Until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have a wonderful day.